it. Here it is, guys. This is 2-box break 2017 historic autograph lineups, and this is 17HALU101. Let's go. Woo! All right, Jason R down to the Don W. Let's copy and paste it in. Here it is, guys. Good luck. 50 roll. Names and teams 7 times each, okay? All right, Don W to Jason R. Let's do teams next. All right, guys, 1930 A's to the 2016 Cubs. I would love to see one of those, by the way. 2016 Cubs. Sorry, I'm biased. All right, guys. 1984 Tigers to the 1951 Giants. All right. Oh, Tim, this breaks fire, man. Now that more people are in here to see this one, I bet you the next one flies off the shelf. Watch. From earlier today. Now that more people are in here from earlier, it's going to fly, man. Oh, my family would love that, man. 85 Royals. All those Royals nerds. And 56 Yankees, man. How cool is that, huh? You got the 69 Mets. 32 Cubs. All right, guys. Any questions on your teams? Let me know. It's a kind of a long list there, so any questions? All right, guys. Let me see. Okay, Mitch. Mitch, are you in this one? I have a trade offer, actually. Hang on. All right, Mitch has offered the 69 Mets for the 59 White Sox. I mean, who has the 59 White Sox? Blair F, are you here? He's probably on YouTube. Is Blair F here? You have an offer. 69. I think that's a very fair trade, actually. Yes. 69 Mets for the 59 White Sox. And Don, I agree, by the way. He may not be logged on, Mitch. Okay. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. See what we got here. Good luck. Blair F, are you here, man? Okay, buddy. No problem. Here's our first one, guys. Yeah. I can do 2 more of these actually. Yep, sure can, buddy. Here's our first shot. Here is our first shot. Damn, I see who it is too, man. That's gonna be good. 12 of 12. Okay, good number. 12 of 12. The beauty, it's cool, man, how they do these. Jack. And Johnny Bench. Yeah, I think that's a big red machine, which is freaking awesome, by the way. Let me see here. Guys, that's how they look, by the way, guys. You can see how awesome this product is. Clearly, yeah, 12 of 12. Here's the LOA. This is the 1975 Cincinnati Reds. Yes, sir. Signatures include Don Gullett, Jack Birmingham, Gary Nolan, and Johnny Bench. My goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Beckett Cert. That is nice. I agree. That is nice. Let me see who's got the Reds 1975. Tell you what, Mitch, last 2 products that Brian's made from, Kevin's made from HA have been crazy. Oh, Blair, that was earlier, man. You had a trade off for 69 Mets for the 59 White Sox. That's all. All right, 1975 Reds. And that's We'll See. My goodness. We'll See. Fantastic. No, it's okay, man. It's okay. No big deal. We'll see. Yes, sir. You're welcome, man. Dude, that's awesome. Big red machine. 75 Reds. That's super hot. All right, here's our next one. Yeah, there's another 2-banger listed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here's our next one. Oh, man. Man, I can't believe I pulled it. I can't believe I pulled it. I can't believe it. Three of 5. 3 of 5, you know that's a good one. You know that's a good one. Joe Collins, New York Yankees. Billy somebody. Joe McDougald. And then good luck. Somebody there. Check that out. Billy Martin. All right, let me show you guys who this is, by the way. Because this is crazy. I can't believe I actually hit one. 1956 New York Yankees. Yes, sir. Signatures include Joe Collins, Billy Martin, Joe McDougald, and Andy Carey. My goodness. Woo! 1956 Yankees. And that is the Don. Don W. Nice hit, man. Detroit Don. Unreal, man. That's awesome. 1956 Yankees. Super hot. Super hot. That's a low number, too, by the way, in the series, how he did it. 3 of 5. Fantastic. Yeah, man. That is awesome. Let's do some more. All right, guys. That is 2-box break 2 banger. And that was Historic Autographs 2017 lineups. And that was number 101. Thanks for joining. All right.